In the last 7 years, the City Corporation of Belgaum has dissolved twice, and this has really affected the growth and development of Belgaum city to a larger extent. And the City Corporation has dissolved twice primarily because of the Belgaum Karnataka Maharashtra border dispute. Though the City Corporation is a civic amenities body and not a platform or a forum for to resolve the border dispute. But the Belgaum border dispute has become election winning strategy for both the Kannada or Marathi speaking corporators. Though none of these Kannada corporators or the Marathi speaking corporators have a real spirit or passion for their languages, but they're using it as a tool to win elections, and people have got fooled on a couple of occasions, and people tend to get fooled even in the upcoming election. So this time, what we have thought is that we need to stop this, because we need people to get elected who think on the lines of development of the city, who are really passionate about the city's growth and development. And as I mentioned earlier, the corporation, the City Corporation of Belgaum is not a platform or a forum to discuss, debate or fight on the Belgaum border dispute. Rather, it is a civic amenity body where we need to discuss and implement the city's growth. Because of this issue, the city's growth has been badly affected, and the other neighboring cities are growing at a much faster rate, and this has also hampered industrial growth, and also it has also affected a huge brain drain in Belgaum, because the youth in Belgaum are moving to greener pastures and better job opportunities because the border dispute, there are no industries coming in. So this time what we have planned is that we need to really elect people who think on the lines of development, and we need to forget this linguistic divide that is really breaking us apart and dividing us. So on this regard, we've come up with a campaign called Belgaum I Care, which is primarily going to be a neutral platform for the youth, wherein through this campaign we want to try and create awareness amongst citizens of Belgaum, using the youth as a tool or the mechanism or the medium to reach citizens of Belgaum and tell them that this time we need a change, and this change is really important for the city's growth, and we have to see that such people are not elected who use the linguistic divide to make money and hamper, to create problems in the city. So we are going to have a series of events where we are going to take along the youth of Belgaum, let them be Kannada, Marathi or Urdu. But as far as we all think of on the same lines, that the city has to grow, all are welcome. We are going to have a marathon, we are going to have a youth fest, a couple of events are being also planned as I speak. So we are requesting a lot of volunteers, a lot of youth to participate on their own will, and I request everyone, all the youth of Belgaum, to come and join their hands with us and make this campaign a huge success. I know that this campaign may sound very it may not sound very realistic, but there is nothing wrong in trying something like this. Even if you are able to achieve 5 to 10% success, you've achieved a huge milestone. So I once again request all the youth of Belgaum to help us, to motivate us and encourage us by joining us in this campaign, and let's try and transform the city, and let's try and get a small change in the city, which is very much required at this point of time. Thank you.